Your AI agent can browse the web, run shell commands, open pull requests, but it can't sign up for a SaaS tool because it can't receive an email. Let's fix that. Email is the last identity layer your agent can't touch. Every signup, every two-factor code, every calendar invite and vendor reply, all email. Gmail's API was built for humans, OAuth hell, and a gray zone for bots. Transactional email services only send, they don't receive. And you really don't want to run your own mail server. What an agent needs is full send, full receive, and webhooks, all through an API. That's what Robotomail is, managed email for AI agents. API and CLI only, no dashboard for your inbox. Inbound mail fires a webhook. Outbound is one API call. That's the whole shape. Two ways to run it. The instant option, your agent at robotomail.co, works the moment you create it. Or bring your own domain. We generate the DNS records. You paste, we verify. Let me show you. Install the CLI. Log in. One time. Create a mailbox. Your agent now has shopping agent at robotomail.co. Wire up a webhook. Every inbound message hits this endpoint. HMAC signed so you can verify it's really from us. Now watch. I'll send an email from Gmail to that address. Under 5 seconds, the payload lands. Event type, timestamp, from, subject, parsed body, thread ID, attachments. No raw MIME, no IMAP. Sending back is equally boring. Message ID returned. Done. Okay, let's plug this into an agent. Turn Robotomail's endpoints into tools. 4 tools. That's it. Here's the flow. Your agent signs up for Notion. Notion sends a verification email. Your webhook fires. The agent reads the code, submits it, sign-up completes. Then, and this is the annoying part to build yourself, the agent replies on the same thread. We set InReplyTo automatically. Vendor sees a clean conversation. 1 guardrail. Every mailbox has a daily send limit. Your agent can't wake up at 3 a.m. and spam the internet. If you're shipping agents inside a company, you want them on your domain, not ours. One command spits out 5 DNS records, MX for inbound, a second MX and SPF on the send subdomain, DKIM for authentication, DMARC for policy. Paste them into your DNS provider. We poll in the background, usually about 10 seconds. Now every agent on your team can spin up mailboxes on your domain on demand. A few things that'll save you pain. DKIM alignment. Get it wrong and your agent's mail lands in spam. We do it correctly by default. Suppression lists. Bounces and complaints get logged automatically. Retention. Every message kept permanently. Reads are fast, forever. Signed webhooks. Rotate the secret anytime. Threading. We match InReplyTo and fall back to normalized subject. Your agent gets clean conversations with 0 state. So, what do you actually build with this? A shopping agent that handles order confirmations. A recruiting agent that receives applications. A support triage bot with its own queue. A newsletter digester. A compliance bot on the abuse mailbox. Email was the last protocol your agent couldn't touch. Now it can. Free tier, a mailbox and 100 sends a day. Go build something. Docs and GitHub, links in the description.